everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me tonight. It's me, Cherry Mark. I'm here to make you learn Kikuyu, and I'm here to share with you some few lessons on how we call different types of things in my language. Just to give you a reminder, I am a Kikuyu born in Kenya, and I'm so proud of my Kikuyu language, my Kikuyu culture, and this is why I'm right here with you to share this with everyone who is really interested to know about my culture and most of all to know my language. Now, we're going to learn something different tonight, and we're going to go ahead, and the first thing we're going to learn today is our features that we have right with us. And the first thing, number one, is eyes. Eyes. Eyes are called maitho. Maitho. Now, then the second feature we have is the nose. The nose. Inioro. 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 Now the next feature we have is the mouth. The mouth. Kanua. 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 The next feature we have are the teeth. The teeth. Magego. 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 Now, let's say, for example, you want to tell someone you have really nice teeth. This is how you tell someone in my Kikuyu language. Wena magego mega. Wena magego madaka. Wena magego mega. Wena magego madaka. You can either say Wena magego madaka, or you can even say Wena magego mega. Wena magego mega. Now, we're going to go ahead to the next feature in our body, and these are the ears. Our beautiful ears are called mato. 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 Now, the next thing we have are the hands. The hands. Our hands are called moko. 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 The next thing we have is the face. The face. Odio. 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 Let's say, for example, you want to compliment your girlfriend, your wife, or even your friend, and tell them you have a beautiful face. This is what you say. Wena odio modaka. Wena odio modaka. Wena odio modaka. Wena odio modaka. Wena, you have. Odio, the face. Modaka, beautiful. Wena odio modaka. Wena odio modaka. Now, let's say, for example, even you want to compliment your wife or even your girlfriend, and you want to tell them you look beautiful. Now, this is what you tell them. We modaka. We modaka. We modaka. We, you, modaka, beautiful. We modaka. We modaka. Now, we are going to do a different lesson on how we give compliments, or even the Kikuyu love languages, how we call them. and this will be on a different video. For today, we're going just to go ahead and learn the features in our body. So the next thing we're going to learn are our legs. Our legs. Our legs. Magoro. Magoro. Let's say, for example, you want to say the feet. Our feet. Or even our sole. The sole of our leg. Makinya. 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 Well, makinya has also a different meaning, which means a stride. Let's say, for example, like the marathon runners, they have really big strides. So you can tell them, you can say makinya. Makinya manene. Big strides are called makinya manene. Makinya are the strides. Manene, big. Makinya manene. Makinya manene. Now, the next thing we are going to learn is our stomach. The stomach is called da. 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 Let's say, for example, you see someone who is pregnant and you don't know how to call them or how to say. Now, this is what you say. Enada. Enada. Or you can even say enaihu. Enaihu. Ena ihu. Ena is she has pregnancy or she is pregnant. Enaihu. Enaihu. Or enada. Enada. Ena, she has. Da is the stomach, the belly, the baby belly. Enada. Now, the next feature we learn is our back. Our back is called mogogo. 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 The next thing we learn is our butt. The butt. The butt. The butt is called matina. Matina. If you want to refer to one butt, this is how you call it. Itina. Itina. Let's say, for example, you want to say something like the breast. The breast. Or breast. Now, this is what you say. Nyodo. 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 Now, let's say, for example, you want to say something like the waist. The waist. The waist is called johera. 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 Let's say, for example, you want to refer to something like the neck. The neck. The neck is called gigo. 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 Let's say, for example, you want to say something like the armpits. The armpits. Jegeke. 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 Now, let's say, for example, you want to mention something like the navel. or the belly button. This is how you call it. Mokonyo, mokonyo, mokonyo. Let's say, for example, you want to say something like the knees, the knees, the knees. The knees are called